In today's day and age, we keep hearing about the benefits of buying local and supporting local businesses. But how does this actually affect the different players? When local businesses receive contracts or sell their goods and services, they are able to employ local workers. The more business they receive, the more people can go home with a salary. This salary is then spent on the various goods and services a family needs. A portion of this income is also given to the government to invest in common goods society needs. So, when a government then, in turn, decides to buy from local businesses, this money flows back into the local value cycle. In the context of solar installation projects, when local solar panel contractors are chosen for installation, much more value remains within the local economy. Some studies even show that as much as 4 times more money stays in the local economy when people choose to buy local. Our choice to support this local value chain and our neighbors' businesses today can make a significant impact. Let's all do our part and support local. Support Team PEI.